While servicing the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter model 906, the following issue has been identified. The PVC sealing seam above the rear lamp is cracked. This defect could lead to moisture permeating through, necessitating immediate action to avoid subsequent corrosion damage. To begin the repair process, first remove the rear lamp. Follow these steps. Open the door completely. Remove the 3 mounting bolts. Disconnect the electrical connectors. Once the rear lamp is removed, you can start repairing the sealing seam. Fortunately, this leak can be fixed without the need for painting work. However, it's crucial to protect the surrounding paint surfaces from damage, which can be achieved by masking the surfaces with a double layer of fabric tape. Proceed to remove the sealing seams above the rear lamps from the joint, extending up to a height of about 20 cm. Use a wedge to extract the PVC sealing seam. The recommended assembly wedge is available under the number W906 589 035900. Inspect the joints for signs of corrosion. If present, these must be addressed according to MB guidelines. Following the removal of most of the fabric tape and sealing seam, clean the joint thoroughly, ensuring the removal of all residues with a suitable cleaner. Next, mask off the bare joints with masking tape to prevent damage to the paint during the sealing process. Accurate masking is essential to avoid the sealant drying on the paint. Once everything is properly masked, you can start priming the joint. For shaping the sealing compound, the specified product for the 906 Sprinter is the Sikaflex 221 sealing compound, available with the order number A00198962929120. Extend the new sealing seam into the recess for the rear lamp, shaping it with a suitable lubricant. Before the curing process begins, remove the masking tape to prevent the sealant from drying on it and to avoid cracking when removing the tape later. It is important to allow sufficient time for the Sikaflex 221 to dry. It forms a skin in 1 hour and requires a minimum of 1 day to cure completely. Maintain a warm environment for the vehicle during this time. Final curing is achieved in about 2 to 8 days, depending on the temperature and thickness of the sealant application. Upon curing, reinstall the rear lamp, remembering to reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, secure it by tightening the mounting bolts to conclude the job.